So Chelsea 2, Arsenal 4, 420. Chelsea have been smoked, real talk. And if you can't see what Arteta's doing, mate, you can F off down the lane. We've got Super Mick Arteta. He knows exactly what we need. Holding at the back, Eddie in attack. We're back on our way to Champions League. We've all together. What are you making of this game, bro? Typical Arsenal, yeah? We're back in the mud, bruv. Real talk.
We are, bro. Peppa Pig settings. We're back in the mud. Top Gooners are back out in force as well. They've been missing for the last, 2 weeks?
Russia could feed them, bruv. They're starving.
Yeah, they're back out in force. I've even heard silly little comments as well. You know, I've been keeping up to date with what's been going on other channels, not to name them, but one fan in particular said about how Arsenal own Chelsea Football Club. Now, let me just explain this one to the top Gooners out there. In a year and a half, Chelsea have made 6 finals and so far have won 3 of them. Arsenal have made none. Raise the standards. One game does not make an ounce of a difference. If anything, yeah, we would have been better off beating Palace, Brighton and Southampton and losing against Chelsea. Why? Because we would have ended up with 9 points, not 3. See? They're thick as shit, mate. They can't count. Yeah? But it just about is a typical performance.
Most easily pleased fan base in world sport, mate. Yeah? Lose 3 games in a row. Meltdown settings. All the people that had their chest out have disappeared. Win 1 game against Chelsea reserves, by the way. Chelsea reserves. And all of a sudden, 3 points out of 12. Oh, we're back. Oh, we own Chelsea. Embarrassing. This is the Chelsea that are current Champions League holders, by the way. Current Club World Cup and Super Cup holders, by the way. Currently in an FA Cup final, by the way. Currently sat 3rd in the table, by the way. And lost a League Cup final this season and an FA Cup final last season. Currently 28 shots against Real Madrid at the Bernabeu. Beat Real Madrid and ended up getting knocked out because Benzema's just mad. But yeah, we own Chelsea, mate. Yeah, cool.
It's hilarious, mate. But on the performance itself, it's a typical Arsenal performance, isn't it? Lose 3 games on the bounce. Oh, we've got Chelsea. There's no pressure on because nobody expects us to beat Chelsea. And we all of a sudden we churn out a performance and it saves this manager's arse yet again. So no doubt there'll be top Gooners screaming for him to stay for at least another 2 months. Maybe even give him a 10-year contract extension.
I've heard they were going to erect the statue tonight, but there was so many Arteta fanboys erect they couldn't do it.
This is the thing. But let's be honest, right? First things first, let's go back to the game, right? Eddie Nketiah. Big up to him tonight because
he played well.
He's took a lot of criticism and he worked very hard and he deserved to get his goals. 2 open play goals now. That's the same as Lacazette all season. Well done.
They were after open play goals away from home from any striker in our club all season, by the way. 33 games in. My man had the audacity to put his arm on the corner flag and cup his ear.
He's probably the best striker at the club now.
Oh, box in the box. Franny Jeffers settings, bruv. Yeah, the next Ian Wright.
They'll be screaming out, give him a new contract as well. Why not? Let's do it. But yeah, big up to him. He played well tonight. He deserved his goals. And he deserves to start against Manchester United, I think, over Lacazette. He proved that tonight. I also think that Mohamed Elneny come in and did a decent job. He used his experience very well in the midfield. We didn't look like we was getting opened up as much as what we have been when we've had Xhaka and Lokonga there. But there's still question marks over the defence. The defence was awful tonight. Ben White in particular, £50 million. Do you know what I mean? And he's dancing around like Bambi on ice. You've got Tavares, who's allowing his man to run across him. Aaron Ramsdale as well. You know, that first goal.
First goal, yeah.
How are you not saving that, bro? How are you not saving that? But the thing is the reason why I give this team credit, and I give a little bit of credit to Mikel Arteta as well, is because nobody gives a prayer. Nobody, absolutely nobody in world football, no football fan thought Arsenal were going to win this game tonight, especially me. You know, I didn't give us a prayer at all. But what I didn't foresee, Lee, and what you didn't foresee is Thomas Tuchel is Arteta in. Because it's clear. It's clear he's Arteta in. He dropped his two main centre-backs to play a young kid and Alonso there. You know, you got Azpilicueta doing up stupidness in the box when there's no one near Bukayo Saka. He's clearly said to them players, look, go out there, perform like absolute wankers so we can keep this best-looking Spaniard in the job. Yeah? Keep it going for a little while longer. Keep the little love train that Arsenal fans have got going on for a little while longer. It's clear. Yeah. It's clear. So, yeah, for me, it is what it is, mate. You know, at the end of the day, it's an irrelevant win once again because Arsenal fans will dress it up and dress it up and dress it up. But right now, it's irrelevant because even in their quest for third loser, if we go and lose against Manchester United at the weekend, this win tonight, irrelevant. If we go and
lose to Leeds and Newcastle, do you know what I mean? That's how we are.
This is it. This is it. And, you know, the worst Manchester United team I've ever seen in my life. No doubt Ronaldo will be suing all over the fucking Emirates. You'll get Jesse Lingard doing his little dancing around like a twat.
Millie rocking.
Yeah. And we can all see it happening, mate, because it would be a typical Arsenal thing, wouldn't it? Let's be honest. So, you know, I'm not excited.
You know what makes me laugh, Brandon, right? Tottenham are irrelevant according to our fan base, right? They're irrelevant. They're crap. Yeah. Conte's washed, even though he's a current holder of a Serie A title. Yeah, until the end of this or next month. Yeah. He's washed, right? Man United are rubbish. They're crap. They're this, they're that. Cool. Okay. Super Mick Arteta knows exactly what we need. Both of these teams have played in Europe. Both of them have got to like further than us in the cup competitions domestically. So what does that make Super Mick Arteta then? Because we've played one game a week. And I've asked this to everyone on the fan cam tonight. If we actually get top 4, does anyone actually think that this guy will then compete for it again and push further on the next season? What do you think?
Any real Arsenal fan would tell you that the answer is no. And the reason why the answer is no is because Arsenal fans are blind to what the reality is, right? We're in this fight for top 4 because of how poor Manchester United and Spurs have been this season, and all the other teams around us are crap. Yeah? That is the only reason we're in this fight. Because if you look at the actual stats, the stats that matter in black and white, we have equaled the amount of goals that we conceded last season.
Yeah.
Again this season, tonight, right? We need 6 more goals. We need to score 6 more goals in, I think it's like 6 or 7 games that we've got left in order to be able to equal the amount of goals that we scored last season. So, and we're one or 2 losses away from equaling the same amount of losses as last season. So, is it that we've improved, like all these top gooners tell us, or is it just that everybody else around us has been just as shit? What's the answer, Lee? We both know what the answer is.
Real talk. Yeah, real talk. Yeah. I watched Man United last night. Yeah. That was a shambles. Everything Roy Keane and Graham Souness said about Man United take it away, process, yeah, dissect it, yeah. Same for Arsenal. The stadium's falling down, so's Arsenal's. The training ground needs updating, so does Arsenal's. The manager's not good enough, neither is Arsenal's. The players are not Man United standard, well, neither are Arsenal's. Yeah, how many players out of this team would get into, let's say, even the 08 team of Arsenal? Fabregas, Adebayor, Eduardo, whoever, whatever, right? None. Yeah, let's be real. The only one who probably does get in is maybe, just maybe, Martinelli. Yeah,
But this
people that argue
is,
Saka and Smith Rowe. Really?
but this,
Yeah,
this is
them
the other
three are
thing.
the only shining lights, yeah, of Project Youth. Does Martin Odegaard get in? By the way, can I just say this as well? Martin Odegaard has created 5 big chances this season, which is the same as Kyle Walker-Peters and Dan James. And this is the creative spark. But, oh, he got an assist tonight. He got an assist. Smith Rowe rounded 4 players tonight. If he scored that, it would have been one of the greatest goals this season, yeah? Right? Odegaard would have got the assist for that. Yeah? It's like assist stats are dead. Yeah? And it's like, when we had Kleb, we had Fabregas, we had Santi, we had fucking, what's his name? Fucking, what's his fucking name? Who was that? Rosicky, that's it, Rosicky. And these players on that level, they're not, are they? And that level still weren't good enough.
The easiest way to explain this is they've dressed this up as a Project Youth, and a lot of Arsenal fans pinning their hopes on, for example, Lokonga. Yeah, Lokonga. Oh, he's young. He's young. He'll come good. He'll come good. I'm not being funny. Lokonga's 22, 23. Yeah. Cesc Fabregas was running the Arsenal midfield at 17 years of age. That is the difference. That's the
15.
difference.
My man made his debut at 15. Yeah. 15.
Even Jack Wilshere.
18. Bossing Barca. Bossing. Alex
the difference.
Yeah, Alex Kleb, Nasri, all of these players. Listen, we're going to wrap this up, yeah? And make sure you subscribe to True Gunners TV, yeah? Right? But at the end of the day, yeah, bro, this is the most easily pleased fan base in world sport. 3 straight losses, cool. Brush it under the carpet, go and brush your shoulder off. We beat Chelsea. We now own Chelsea. Really cool. On that bombshell, we're out of here. Fuck Arteta. Arteta out.